Welcome back, traders, hackers, and truthers. Silver Man here. We're Thursday night. It is April the 12th, 2018, and I'm making a quick little video to cheer you guys up. Things are about to get a whole lot rosier. So, I'm not sure if you recall, but it was 2 weeks ago. Bitcoin bottom, bull run begins. Well, we did a long consolidation here, actually. We really shook off the last of the weak hands, and I've been continuing on remaining bullish in my videos thereafter that. In fact, especially this one 4 days ago, I mentioned there's George Soros is now getting involved in the cryptos. YouTuber Bitcoin Ben the Bozo got it absolutely wrong. He's not getting into short Bitcoin at this point. It's pulled back 64%. They're looking to get in. They've paid people who know how to read charts. The technical analysts have told them, hey George, you need to get in there now. This thing has hit a bottom. So, and that's why the Rockefeller empire, they're also getting in there. Also, you know, these people have money. They can afford to have technical analysts that can read all these charts for them. Okay, I'm just reporting news, guys. This is really bullish for us. So I've stuck with those videos. They're still up on all my channels. So let's get into what I see on Bitcoin. What may happen here within the next 24 hours, 48 hours. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin daily chart. As I was saying, this long consolidation where we really shook off here the last of the weak hands, and all created by FUD also, right? With Twitter, Google, Facebook all banning the ads, and more recently, I don't know if you heard, but there's, and unfortunately I haven't been able to report on this news, but I'm doing Bitcoin daily news research, and there's a class action lawsuit coming down here from multiple countries, from different cryptocurrency organizations and groups that are going to sue Google and YouTube, sorry, not YouTube, Google and Facebook and Twitter over these ad bans. So, other than that, they've still managed to get the ads up there, by the way, on Facebook. I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but they've taken away the word Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and they use C currency. Do some C trading with some C currencies, and the ad is back on Facebook. Anyhow, creative marketing, I guess. And but long story short, like I said, there's a class action lawsuit. At this point here, that's why I said Rockefeller and the George Soros both getting in. I was showing the CCI. Right? You guys remember that? They were making fun of me trying to say the Silver Gold Man doesn't know what he's talking about. The CCI can't be used on Bitcoin. It's for commodities. No, it's not. I shared with you guys the creator of the CCI. He specifically said this is used in all markets. Okay? It's to identify trends. I like picking bottoms on stocks. Everyone knows I'm starting from scratch after breaking my neck in 3. I've lost everything I've earned. I've got to try to make it back. That's after screwing all of my whole life up here on my past addiction. Long story short, I like finding the bottoms. That's why the Snapchat, thank you very much, Jason, for that was such a big winning stock for us. And we're back in it again. The whole market's turned. You know, you'll see, guys. This is going to be so good for us. So, this first breakout here, guys, this is just the first leg up. Watch. Let's go down to a 2 hour. We're about to have another leg up. She's just consolidating here on a 2 hour time frame. And we'll do a price prediction right now and share where I think this is going. So I can see the consolidation taking place right there. Whoops. So at this point, we're looking at probably the bottom of the flagpole to the top of the flagpole. Move that flagpole over. Okay, sometimes this doesn't behave the best. There we go. and you're looking at a rise of about 15% roughly. That brings us up to about 9,034. Let's go look and see, and that would be a previous area of resistance. The first time she tried to make her break back up there, she broke right down around this area. So looks like Bitcoin's about to go back up and revisit this area, and we'll probably come back and reconsolidate back down to the 8,500, 8,000 possibly. Okay, guys? Possibly. I hope not. I think most likely 8,500. We can't keep blasting off. We're going to have two nice big green candles. We'll probably have one consolidation day right at this area, previous area of resistance where Bitcoin has bounced back and forth. But other than that, this is looking good. I think I've nailed the bottom. And that's what I was saying with you guys, sharing with you guys the news here from Goldman Sachs, how they found that there was a correlation between the stock market and Bitcoin. So I'm like, okay, let's start doing this. I've been trading the stock market here for years. You know, people have been watching me. I've received letters from employees from big banks. I've nailed every single stock market crash a full 6 months before they happen. This past year, not this past year, in 2018, I just said we're having our correction, our yearly correction. Roughly every year, the market has a correction, 5 to 10%. That's what's taking place. It was roughly the 10% at this point, 11%, simply because we've had such a nice, beautiful run since the last time I called the bottom in the markets, which happened to be when? February 2016. February the 6th is when I first made the video, and I started going nightly on February the 16th, 2016. And then when Trump was going up for election, warn again, get ready. He's going to win the election, and the markets are going to rally. And do you guys remember I mentioned, unfortunately, I can't show those videos because my YouTube channel's been taken down, but I'd identified a series of stocks. This is where I got the letter from the employee from Goldman Sachs, the headquarters in Florida, because he saw the video where I identified a series of stocks. I said, when he wins the election, these stocks are going to move. And some of them, like one of them rose, 900% in 6 trading days? Large percentage, or 267%, 104 or 157%. Large numbers. Long story short, CCI, that's my number one tool here, or I should say one of the number one tools. I use a series of indicators, and you guys have seen some of them here that I've shared with you guys during these videos. But long story short, it looks like we're going to have another breakout, come back out and retest that area here. Okay, it's very clear, that area of resistance, and she'll probably bog down. Okay, consolidate before we keep going. It's looking good in my eyes. So I just want to make a quick little video letting you all know that yes, I expect another breakout here very shortly. Probably within the next 24 to 48 hours we should be up at that.